Hello, welcome back. This will be my, I don't even know, a third attempt at recording this. First time I forgot the audio, and then second time it was just taking way too long. But I fixed all the bugs. Anyway, so you get an email and you want to be able to reply to it pretty quickly. So that's what the system does. I should probably name my nodes mark as red. Okay, cool. So the Gmail trigger, basically what this does is it's set up to my inbox, and every minute it checks for a new email. And then it's looking for the message received. And then we're looking for the word lead within the subject line. And then we're only looking at read emails. And then we mark it as read. And we want to do that because we do not want to just spam whoever with just a bunch of emails, because that would not be great. And then I take the HTML from the email and I convert it to Markdown because it's less characters than HTML and it gives it more, gives the LLM more context. And then in the LLM, we're just grabbing the full name from the email address and then the message from the Markdown. And then I just have a few system prompts here, just telling it that's an intelligent email assistant and then giving it its instructions on what to do. And then here's an example email received and then an example output right here. And then the output, I did do a little line breaks for an HTML because it makes it look better. And then we have a wait, and I have it set to 0 seconds right now because, hey, we're all impatient. It's 2025, guys. All right, so, and then we get a reply, and then we have our thread ID. We want to respond to the thread, not to the message ID. And then we have our text message from the LLM. All right, cool, great. All right, now, so I already have this draft set up. This is actually the exact same text as the example, so hopefully it does well. And if it doesn't do well, then I guess I'll just have to record this again, right? All right, message sent. All right, let's see if it's in here. Your primary tab is empty. Receive the email. It is also Gmail. You guys are on the same server. There it is. Cool. I have my message. All right, now this is probably not going to do anything in here. Well, it's not going to show us doing anything because it's running, it's active. But what we can do is we can see our email is just received. And then let's see. Hey, Mark, Michael here. Thanks for reaching out, and I appreciate your interest in the high ticket automation offer. Happy to help you get started. Just let someone on my team know. I don't have a team, guys, about this, and they'll give you a call in a couple minutes to dive into detail. Looking forward to working with you. Cheers, Michael. I probably wonder why I wrote cheers. My brother's in England. He says that all the time now. You know, um, I don't I don't know why they say cheers there, but it sounds good. I don't know. It sounds more personal to me than like, sincerely or respectfully. Um, I've written a lot of emails that say respectfully or very respectfully or just VR for short. Anyway, so that's how you automatically reply to an email with n8n. And hopefully you'll watch more of my videos. I'm gonna be pumping them out soon. Thanks.